Now see, next topic is weightlessness in satellite. So see here, when the observed weight of any body is 0, then the body is said to be weightless. Now one example already we have done in Newton's laws of motion, that was R is equal to m into g minus a. This was the reaction when the lift was falling down with the acceleration a. Now in this case, if you put a is equal to g, then you will be getting R is equal to 0, and we say the observed weight of the body is 0. So see here, whenever any body is in the state of free fall, its weight is 0, and we say the body is weightless. Similarly, in case of satellites, when the satellite is revolving around the earth, any object in the satellite is in the continuous state of free fall and its weight is 0. So any object in the satellite, that is taken as weightless, and there, because of the free fall state, and A is equal to g. Also in case of the spring balance, if you are taking the suppose spring balance, and a spring balance is hanged from the some surface, and you are just hanging or holding the one part like this and applying the force from here. When you pull this side with the certain force, there is a reaction by the spring, and because of that spring shows some weight. But if the suppose there is no suspension point and that is freely falling, again the no weight will be shown by the spring balance. Now see here, what is binding energy of a satellite? See here, the minimum energy required to free the satellite from gravitational field of earth is known as binding energy. How do we calculate it? Suppose this is earth of mass m and this is the center O, and the satellite is revolving close to the earth. Then we can write total energy of the satellite. See here, this concept is very important for solving numericals. So when the satellite of mass m suppose revolving very close to the surface of earth, then total energy can be written minus gmm upon r, that is the potential energy of the satellite, plus half mv square, that is kinetic energy of the satellite. V is here the orbital speed, so we can write minus gmm upon r plus half m into gm upon r, because V is equal to under root of gm upon r. So V square is this much. If you solve it, you will be getting gmm, we can take here common here this upon r, here is also and here is also, minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So here that can be written minus gmm upon 2r. So this is the total energy of the satellite. So that we can write here now E is equal to this much. And now what is binding energy? So negative of this total energy is called binding energy. So we can write here binding energy is equal to negative of this, that is minus gmm upon 2r. So that is here we can write here equal to gmm upon 2r. So this is the binding energy of the satellite.